Welcome back. Wendy Ross joins us once again to talk about some of that weather, that pressure forming out in the Gulf. But first, we're going to take a look at something that might be fallout from our last hurricane season, a massive tree smashing a parked car overnight in Bradenton, we're told. This happened at the Carlton Arms apartment complex. Now, luckily, no one was injured, but Wendy, as you said, not really a busy night weather-wise last night.
Not last night, no. And tonight we're going to be seeing more rain. We've got more showers on the way. In fact, radar is picking up all of the wet weather that we've got right now that really started at around 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon and then has been just continuous since then. So low pressure system is formed out in the Gulf of Mexico, which we've talked about, and this is an area of disturbed weather. The National Hurricane Center has its eyes on this system because over the next 2 days there's about a 30% chance that it could develop, and over the next 5 days a 40% chance that it could develop into a tropical depression. And this system therefore would create all the problems that we're seeing right now, which is a lot of wet weather for us, but we're not likely to have that happen because the wind shear is pretty strong, so the likelihood of this developing really does not look very good right now. So this is going to be moving on up towards the north, and as it does so, there is all this moisture well to the south of our state, and all of that is going to be streaming from the south to the north, and that's what's going to be taking place throughout the rest of tonight. We have at times 100% chances of rain all across our viewing area. Central Florida has been seeing the majority of the wet weather, as you can see, as well as the southern part of the state, and we've had periods of very heavy rainfall that have come through here since the afternoon hours, with pockets of heavy rain throughout the evening, and overnight we'll see the same thing. Right now we're just looking at very moderate to light rains taking place across our region, and that's going to continue throughout the overnight time into tomorrow morning. So this is not going to go away anytime soon. And the past 24-hour period, we've seen how much rainfall has already taken place. Spots across parts of Charlotte County reporting over 2 inches of rain, and then as we move farther up to the north, the rain's amounts are less, but we're still seeing very close to 1 inch and a little over 1 inch in places like Venice and Northport, and even just south of Arcadia, almost 1.5 inches. And future radar is showing that we're just going to get more of this wet weather, and that's going to continue throughout the nighttime tonight and into tomorrow. And then we'll get some breaks in the rain. We'll get partly cloudy skies, maybe even some clear skies, and then the rain comes back on in. So if you're not seeing rain, don't worry, it's going to be coming back into the forecast, and you can see by tomorrow afternoon we get to see those pockets of heavy rain right here along the coastline affecting our viewing area. So that's what we're looking forward to for the next several hours. In fact, we keep an 80% chance during the overnight time period. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning we're at 100%, then back up to 80 to 90% chances of rain, and then again at 10 o'clock in the morning another 100% chance of rain. So future forecasts showing all of this wet weather, again plenty of moisture down here to the south, and all of this is streaming up in our direction. So that's what we're going to be looking at over the next couple of days. Now, over the next 7-day period, the biggest day for rain is going to be tomorrow. So we're making that our first alert day because it's 100% chance of rain, and that's going to be taking place throughout the overnight time period tonight. All day long tomorrow we're expecting to see showers, and then by Tuesday we start to taper this off a little bit down to a 40 to 50% chance for the rest of the week, and temperatures will start to come up incrementally. Adam?